file in this May 17, 2018, file photo. An American flag hangs above the bell podium on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. The U.S. stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. EDT on Monday, June 4. AP photo, Richard Drew, New York, AP, U.S. Stocks rose for the second consecutive day Monday, with technology companies, retailers and household goods companies in the lead. Indexes of technology companies and smaller, more U.S.-focused companies both hit all-time highs. Major technology companies including Google's parent company, Alphabet, made big gains, while Apple rose as it previewed new features and software updates at its Worldwide Developers Conference. Microsoft edged higher after it said it will buy the coder platform GitHub, while new privacy concerns weighed on shares of Facebook. Retailers including Target, Walmart and Under Armour rallied, as did Amazon. Energy companies fell as the price of oil continued to slide. After an up-and-down week last week, the technology-heavy Nasdaq composite finished at a record high, above a market set March 12, while the smaller Russell 2000 surpassed a record it set last week. Last week, investors reacted to political turmoil in Italy and rising trade tensions as the U.S. continued to hold talks with Chinese officials and placed tariffs on steel and aluminum imported from Europe, Mexico and Canada. Stocks have wobbled in the last few months as investors worried that tariffs or other barriers to trade will reduce economic growth and corporate profits. But Wall Street has mostly treated the tough talk and proposed tariffs as a negotiating tactic. Invesco chief global market strategist Christina Hooper said the U.S. crossed an important dividing line last week when, after months of talks, its aluminum and steel import duties went into effect. It appears that will lead to some significant retaliatory tariffs, she said. Markets seem to treat it as if it's just rhetoric and it's just a bargaining tool, and my view is that that is foolhardy. The index rose 1.1% Friday after a strong jobs report. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 178.48 points, or 0.7%, to 24,813.69. The Nasdaq Composite gained 52.13 points, or 0.7%, to 7,606.46. The Russell 2000 index of smaller company stocks gained 5.39 points, or 0.3%, to 1,653.37. Apple climbed 0.8% to $191.83, and Alphabet gained 1.6% to $1,153.04. Chipmaker Advanced Micro Devices added 3.1% to $14.85. Microsoft rose 0.9% to $101.67 after the company said it will pay $7.5 billion in stock for GitHub. Around 27 million software developers around the world use GitHub to share code and build businesses. Among retailers, Target gained 4.9% to $76.35 and Walmart picked up 2.9% to $85.42 after it agreed to sell an 80% stake in its struggling Brazilian business. Hooper, of Invesco, said Wall Street is overlooking the threat that tariffs pose because it's focused on solid economic news from the U.S. We have enough positive economic data that it's easy enough to put blinders on when it comes to threats like protectionism, she said. The New York Times reported Sunday that Facebook struck data-sharing deals with at least 60 device makers, including Apple and Amazon, as it tried to get its app onto smartphones, and that the device companies were able to access users' friends without their explicit consent. That renewed some investors' concerns about Facebook's handling of user data, and the stock lost 0.4% to $193.28. Facebook said it maintained tight control over the technology and is not aware of any abuse by the companies that it teamed with. The stock skidded in March following allegations a firm linked to the Trump campaign improperly harvested personal data millions of Facebook users, but Wall Street's concerns about the stock gradually faded and Facebook closed at an all-time high Friday. Energy companies traded lower as benchmark U.S. crude dropped 1.6% to $64.75 a barrel in New York. Brent crude, used to price international oils, fell 2% to $75.29 per barrel in London. Wholesale gasoline lost 1% to $2.12 a gallon. Heating oil slid 1.1% to $2.15 a gallon. Natural gas fell 1.1% to $2.93 per 1,000 cubic feet. Companies reported results from cancer drug studies at the annual meeting of the American Society of Clinical Oncology. Nektar Therapeutics plunged 41.8% to $52.57 after it disclosed data from a potential treatment for pancreatic cancer. Analyst Debjit Chattopadhyay of H.C. Wainwright said investors were concerned by mixed results from the study and a lack of information in a lung cancer drug study. Nektar had made huge gains since early November. Shares of its partner Bristol Myers Squibb lost 3.1% to $51.56. Bond prices dipped. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note rose to 2.94% from 2.90% late Friday. Gold dipped 0.2% to $1,297.30 an ounce. Silver fell 0.1% to $16.43 an ounce. Copper gained 1.2% to $3.13 a pound. The dollar rose to 109 yen and 58 sen from 109 yen and 51 sen. The euro rose to $1.1719 from $1.1662. Germany's DAX rose 0.4% and France's CAC 40 added 0.2%. Britain's FTSE 100 climbed 0.5%. The benchmark Nikkei 225 in Japan rose 1.4% and the South Korean Kospi gained 0.4%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng rallied 1.7%. ____ AP Markets writer Marley J can be reached at http://twitter.com/MarleyJApp. His work can be found at https://appnews.com/. Search Marley J. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.